This simple slice that I'm making starts off with some eggs and some caster sugar. And usually at this stage of making this cake, I would add some melted butter, about 100 grams of butter. But I've been experimenting lately and I've found that you can replace 100 grams of butter with 100 mils of really good quality Australian extra virgin olive oil. It works just as well. Essentially, we're substituting this fat for this fat, and this fat is definitely better for you. This one has a milder flavour, and that's not because of the process it's gone through, it's because of the actual olive that it's made from. So 100 mils. And then we just incorporate it just as if it was the butter. Then we continue on with the cake by adding the dry ingredients. This one has some almond meal through it, along with some flour. After incorporating that, that goes into a tin and into the oven. And I tell you what, the results are absolutely fantastic. This is how it turns out. Finishing off an olive oil cake like this with a little icing sugar on the top. It's a fantastic way to make cake. Try it. Substitute your butter with extra virgin olive oil. It works a treat.